guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. For those who don't know me, if you're new in this channel, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to another vlog, guys. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I just use this lip therapy from Discam, and I've seen people using this a lot. I was like, what's the hype about it? But I'll tell you what, I was at Discam and I had forgotten my bag, so I decided to just grab this. Guys, it's so good. I love it. I actually love this. I actually hated the packaging. I was like, I'm not gonna be one of those girls. I'm gonna have this. I was like, I don't like this, but now that I have it, I'm gonna buy more because I actually love this. It's actually good lip therapy, guys. So I was not talking about that, guys. I just want to show you my bag. I'm so excited, guys. I'm here to unbox, so let me just quickly show you this. I'm so excited, man, about this. So I was at Aldo yesterday, so guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to go shopping on, what is this thing, on Black Friday. So I was there today. I mean like yesterday I was at Aldo. I was actually looking for bags. I've always wanted bags. I wanted to buy more bags. I don't have a lot of bags right now. Just realized that I need more bags. So I was at Aldo and then I found this. They had a sale, so I got this nice little cute bag, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Oh no, man, let me just hide this. I'm gonna have to cut this part out. So guys, here's my nice bag. So I actually love this one. I love it. I'm not sure if I should buy the black one also, but I love it. So let me just unbox it with you guys. Ta-da! Me and my tadas are back. Ta-da, guys! I love this unboxing part. Ta-da! Okay, let me also remove this. Oh, I actually love the quality, guys. I actually love it. You should feel it. So soft. I love this quality, guys. Let me just put this here on the floor. Isn't this so cute? Very, very nice, guys. So cute. So, oh, I actually love this. So they put this part in here. So it's not labeled or anything. There's nothing that says Aldo except for this curing here. So if you don't want any labels, so you can just remove this. But for me, I love it because it's not so loud. Yeah, so yeah, ta-da! A very, very, very cute bag. Nice and spacious. I actually like this chain here. Very, very spacious, guys. But I'm not gonna remove everything. It is spacious. It's nice and cute. I'll do it later on. And I like that. Now it also have this, if you don't want to carry your wallet, you can just slip through your card holder in there, or you can even use the zip here. So it's actually a nice bag. I love it. I like the fact that it's spacious. I love small bags. So yeah, this is one of my favorite. And I also like this part. If you don't want to open the bag, you're in the hurry, you can just slip through something in here, and then yeah, and then you go. Love it. And then my next one is this one. It's a small bag. Ta-da! So let me just also open this one with you guys. Ta-da! I love this chain. It's also from Aldo as well. Oh, you know what I like about this one? It's not gold or something. It's also black as well, and I like this. Oh, it doesn't have that part there. I thought this, you know what? I thought this part is where you can just open and slip through something, but no, you have to open it here. Yeah, it's gonna be a hassle for me. I actually don't like that. The fact that you have to be, I'm worried that it's gonna get damaged, but yeah, I'm gonna have to live with it. So yeah, it is also spacious as well. It looks so small. It has a black chain. So it has a black chain. I don't want to open everything right now because I'm in a hurry. So it has a black chain. It also spacious as well. Let me see if it does have a zip. Yeah, there is a zip here that you can maybe slip through your cards and everything if you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. So yeah, it's nice and cute and spacious. So yeah, that's what I got for myself at Aldo. Lovely bag. I love it. Love it, love it, love, 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 love it. Cute. Okay, and then we also went to Crocs yesterday, and then we bought some Crocs for my daughter. I don't wear the Crocs, so this is definitely for my daughter. So we also went to Crocs, and then we bought these Crocs for her. So she's got like a little bit big feet, man. It's growing so fast. So yeah. So we've got these Crocs as a size 11. The one that she has right now in the size 10 is a little bit small, and I wanted to buy like 2 sizes up, but then it was too big. The 12 was too big, so now she's a size 11 and she's only 5. Yeah, so we got these ones and I like them. They've got like these decorations, cute Crocs. I know there are people that loves Crocs, but I'm not one of those. But it's cute for her. She doesn't really like shoes that are so closed up, so that's why we decided to buy these soft shoes for her, and she loves the Crocs that she has. So yeah, we also bought these ones, and they're so nice for kids, man. I like these decorations. Yeah, and then that's it that we bought. That's it. What did I just say? Doesn't matter. I said what I said. So it was, I didn't tell you the price. So these Crocs were $6.99. And I didn't tell you my bags. I have to tell you my bags, then I can move on. So for both bags, I paid $1,598. The white one, let me just see. This, okay, fine, I missed that. This is a black one. Okay, so I think I have this because I saw the stickers here. They gave me the brand new ones. I thought, oh, they did not give me the one that were on display. They didn't give me that one. That's what I like. So now I don't know. I wanted to see that price because this one was, I think, was 8 something. Then the sale price was on. It was $7.50 for this one. From 8 something, I don't remember because he removed the check. So they gave me the brand new one, not the one that was on display. And then this one was $8.39, so it was 1.499. This one, so I got it for like $8.39. So yeah, receipts. And then yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. For now, let me just say ciao.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really.
Hi guys, right now we are at, it's no longer Draws, the place is called Bossa right now. We are so excited, the playground is so nice. My daughter is enjoying it. I think I'm going to do a voiceover later on because there's a lot of noise here. It's even worse than Spain. There's a lot of noise. I will have to do the voiceover, but yeah, the food is nice. I just ate now and I hate it. I feel like vomiting right now. Oh. Yeah, But guys, this is the place to be, Sana. Nasaan ako kumain? Ciao! Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Period! Hey guys! I'm on my way to see my friend. Ciao! Astate! Có gái mà mới câu cha